I discovered a new Christian Bible sleep worship song niche. All they do is to create Christian sleep songs that play for hours. And guess what? This video is getting millions of views. It's going viral. If you want to create Christian content, you need to watch this. You can create these videos in minutes with just 3 AI tools. Now, let me show you how to create these types of videos.
Now we're going to come to ChatGPT and we're going to tell ChatGPT to give us some titles idea. Let's say about 3. Let's just say give us 3 title ideas. So now this is the prompt. I just opened a Christian Bible worship song channel. I need 3 titles ideas that are not mass produced. The picture above is how some of the channels look like, but I don't need a repetitive title. So I just gave ChatGPT, I screenshot one of the channel. So I just want ChatGPT to have idea of what it's going to give to me. Now I'm just going to send this. So this does not mean that I'm going to be repeating the titles in those channels. So this is just for ChatGPT to have an idea of what I want. So I'm just going to send this let's see the titles that ChatGPT is going to generate for us. So now you can see what ChatGPT just generated for us. The first one is "Let God sing you to rest tonight. Peaceful Bible worship for deep sleep and healing." Now the second one is sleep under God's presence, soft Christian worship that calms anxiety and fear. Then the third one is night prayer melodies, fall asleep while heaven speaks over you, 2 hours worship. So now I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to choose the best for me. So now I'm just going to say choose the best for me. Then I'm going to send this because I want ChatGPT to give me the best. I just need only one. Say let God sing you to rest tonight. Peaceful Bible worship for deep sleep and healing. Now I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to give me, let me just use 5 picture prompts. Give me 5 picture prompts. So now I said give me 5 image prompts for this. So I'm just going to send this. Now I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate image prompt for me. So you can tell ChatGPT to generate 2, you can tell ChatGPT to generate 10. So but I feel 5 is okay for me. So I'm just going to copy it. Then we are going to go over to Grok to generate and animate these images. So now this is Grok AI. Once you get to Grok AI, I'm going to drop the first image prompt. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT I want it to be in a 16:9 aspect ratio. 16:9 aspect ratio. Now I'm just going to send it and let ChatGPT generate the image for us. So ChatGPT is going to generate 2 images. We're just going to pick the best one. So you can see now this is one of the image that ChatGPT generated for us. I don't know, but I think I prefer this one. Now what we are going to do is to come to this place. We're just going to animate it. So click on animate. Now once you click on animate, come to this place. Then you are going to drop the same prompt you use in creating the picture or the image. You are going to drop that exact prompt here. Drop the exact prompt here. Then you are going to use it to generate the video. So now let's wait for Grok to generate the video for us. So now this is the video that Grok generated for us. This is exactly what we want. So we are just going to download it without sound. Now we are going to do the same thing for the next one. So let's go and generate the next one. So for the next one, we'll drop the second prompt. Now always remember to add in a 16:9 aspect ratio, because Grok might just generate any aspect ratio for you. 16:9 aspect ratio. So we are going to send this. Now let's wait for the second image. So now this is the second image. Now you can see. So we are going, like I said Grok is going to generate two images for you. So I really like this one. Now we are going to animate it the same way we did for that one. So we are going to drop the exact prompt that we use in generating the image. So this is the prompt. We are going to drop it, send it, and let it generate the video for us. So let's wait for it to generate the video. So now this is the video that I generated for us. Now we are going to download it, then we are going to generate others off-screen record. So now once we are done generating the last video, we are just going to download it. Now we are going to go back to ChatGPT to generate our lyrics for us. So now I'll drop this particular prompt for ChatGPT. I said generate lyrics for this sleep worship song. I said make it very long. I want it to be long, so I'm going to send this. So now this is it. This is the lyrics that ChatGPT gave to us. Now I'm just going to copy these lyrics. So let's wait for it to finish generating it. Then we are going to copy the lyrics. So now we're just going to copy the lyrics. Now we're going to tell ChatGPT to give us the style. Now what is the style instruction? So let's wait for it to generate it for us. So this is the style instruction. So we're just going to copy it. So this is the style instruction that ChatGPT gave to us. So he gave us two, and he said the second one is for better results. So I'm going to copy the second one. Now we are going to head over to Suno AI. So now once you get to Suno AI, you're just going to sign up with Suno AI. Now once you are done, you're going to come to this part. So the reason why mine is like this is because I've generated a lot of music. Now you just come to this place where they wrote custom. Make sure you sign up. Now we are just going to drop the lyrics here. So we copy the lyrics, remember. So we're just going to drop the lyrics. This is the lyrics. I don't want this extra one here, so I'll just delete this one. So I'll just delete that first one. So let's just drag it to the top. Now for the style, I wrote the style, so I'm just going to paste the style here. Now come to advanced. So once I get to advanced option, I'm going to click on female. So I'm going to click on female, then I can leave every other thing like this. Now I'm going to come to this down part. Once you get here, you're going to see create. So you click on create. Now let's wait for Suno AI to generate our image. So you can see that it's loading. Once it is done loading, notice that it's no longer loading. Just come to the top here. You see that it's generated two songs for you. So let's just wait for it to generate them for us. So I prefer this second one. So I'm just going to title it. Let me just put worship sleep song. So now I'm just going to save this. Then I'm going to download it to my device. So now once you get to this down part, you are going to see these three dots here. So just click on that three dots. Then you're going to click on download. So I'm going to download the mp3 audio. So now you see, because we're using the free version, they are going to tell us that we need the pro version to be able to monetize this particular music. So if you want to post it on, let's say on YouTube, you might need to upgrade to the pro version. So for now we can just download it anyway. We'll just download it here. So click on download. Now we're going to take it to CapCut. So if you want to upgrade to the pro version, I think it's about $8. Now let's go to CapCut and combine the music with the videos that we generated before. You go to CapCut, we are going to select all the videos. So now this is all the videos that we generated. So note what you are going to do. So we are going to click on the first one. So this is the first one. Once we click on it, we are going to look for speed. Now once you get to speed, look for this. It's going to be on 0.3. We want it to be very slow. You see how it is. So we are going to do this for all the videos. So we'll go to the next one, then we are going to do the same thing for the next one. So we want it to be very slow. So I want it to be very slow. So it's going to be on 0.3. So we do it for the others also. So now once we are done, we're just going to play it. Now this is the video. So the next thing we'll do is to bring in our audio. We are going to look for our audio that we just downloaded. So I went to audio, then I went to search on my device for it. So this is it. I'm just going to impute it. So I'm just going to make sure that it gets to the length of the videos, get to the length of the music. So now we are not going to be playing the music because it has we are going to be posting it on YouTube, and we don't want to get any copyright issue because we are using the free version. So if you want to start uploading these videos on YouTube, try and get the pro version. So this is the video. Now we're just going to click on export. Once we are done adding the audio to it, we'll just click on export. Then we are going to export our video.
If you watched this video to this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.